Okay everyone, today's video, we're working on my friend's 10th Gen Civic. He's installing 4-bar map sensors. You get 2 of them from 27-in-1. That's the company. And you're going to be installing them here, and then the other one over there. It's one 8mm screw holding them in, and you just want to tighten them down snug. Don't over tighten them, you'll crack the plastic. And doing this, you are going to need a Honda or something that can tune this car to recognize and utilize the full potential of the 4-bar map sensor.
Otherwise, you'll throw a code. The smallest screen in the world.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
Make sure we don't. Alright, got it. Just tighten a little bit here.
There's one.
Alright.
This is good. It should read 30 pounds now.
Well, the guy's in there, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Little gaskets, all that holds it in right here. This little gasket right here.
That one back in. Pull this one out. Well, that was the easy part.
Yeah.
Now let's tune it. And then I'll let you know what happens on the track.
Yeah. Okay, so all it is just 2 8mm screws, like we said before. Pull these 2 clips off, and then it's just in there pretty snug because of the gasket. So you're just going to want to wiggle it back and forth, and as you're pulling up, and it'll pop right out. Put the new ones in, make sure they're seated level and proper, hand tighten down the bolts, and then just snug it up with the ratchet wrench so you don't crack the plastic. And that's all there is to this. Obviously after that you need to know what you're doing when it comes to tuning, or bring it to a tuner so that way you can take full advantage of the 4-bar And typically you would do this in a boosted vehicle like he has with the larger turbo, so he's able to get those higher boost pressures. If you guys found this video helpful, hit that like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Helps out a lot. And I'll continue to try to bring as much content as I can on Hondas and Civics in general. Okay, everyone, take care.